Hello learners, I am Dr. Meherchand, a faculty member in the Department of Mathematical Science at Baba Farid College, Bathinda, Punjab, and our institution is affiliated with the Punjabi University, Patiala, India. With over 15 years of experience in teaching and research, I have actively engaged with various scientific tools and have had the privilege of training individuals worldwide. Additionally, I am the founder and president of MathTech Thinking Foundation, is a Section 8 company under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India, and operates as non-profit organization. Here we are talking about why a scientific computing is required and which software we are going to cover during this course. This is just a basic introduction about the course which we have just now developed, and before that we need to understand why scientific computing is important. Scientific computing plays a pivotal role in advancing science and technology by enabling researchers to model complex phenomena, simulate experiments, and analyze vast data set with the precision and efficiency. Its applications span across various fields including physics, biology, chemistry, engineering, and climate science, facilitating innovation and problem solving. Through computational methods, scientists can explore hypotheses, optimize design, and accelerate the discovery process, leading to groundbreaking insight and technological advancement. Additionally, the scientific computing democratizes access to computational resources, empowering researchers worldwide to collaborate and contribute to interdisciplinary research efforts. Ultimately, its integration fosters interdisciplinary collaboration, fuels innovation, and drives progress in understanding the natural world and developing transformative technologies. Computing softwares compass a wide range of tools, including programming language like Python and C++, simulation platform like Matlab, Cosmol, and data analysis frameworks such as R and TensorFlow, all vital for various computational tasks in science, engineering, and beyond. These software packages facilitate algorithms implementation, numerical analysis, visualization, and machine learning, enabling researchers and engineers to tackle complex problems efficiently and effectively. In response to requests from faculty members, research scholars, and beginners, we have developed a comprehensive course titled Fundamentals of Python for Scientific Computing. There are main 5 reasons to develop this course. Number 1, Python is versatile programming language suitable for various applications, including web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, scientific computing, and more. Known for its simple and intuitive syntax, Python is easy to learn, making it accessible for beginners and while still powerful enough for a seasoned developer. Python boasts a rich ecosystem for libraries and framework that extend its capabilities from NumPy and SciPy for scientific computing to Django and Flask for web development. Python has tools for almost any task. Python has a vibrant and a supportive community for developers worldwide. This community contributes to the language's growth, provides ample resources for learning, and offers assistance through forums and online communities. Python is cross-platform language, meaning code written in Python can run on various operating systems without modification. This feature enhances its usability and flexibility across different environments. Embark on a transformative journey with the fundamentals of Python for scientific computing, designed to empower you in data analysis, machine learning, deep learning, simulation, and visualization. Delve into Python's essential, intricately crafted for scientific endeavors, commencing end of the March 2024. Discover the fusion of theory and practice, enabling you to harness Python's full potential in the realm of scientific exploration. Whether you are novice or seasoned practitioner, this course offers invaluable insight to propel your proficiency efficiency and revolutionize your scientific pursuit. Join us as we unleash the power of Python, shaping the future of scientific innovation. The Fundamental of Python for Scientific Computing course offers a thorough grounding in Python programming and its relevance to scientific computation. Tailored for scientists, engineers, and researchers, it equips participants with the skill needed for numerical analysis, data manipulation, and scientific simulation. This curriculum covers essential modules such as Python basics, NumPy for numerical computation, Matplotlib for data visualization, SciPy for scientific calculation, and Pandas for data analysis. Participants will engage in real-world application to reinforce their learning and enhance problem-solving abilities. Upon completion, participants receive a certificate of completion, acknowledge their mastery of the course material. Embark on a comprehensive journey through Python programming with this structured course outline. Begin with the Python basics in module 1 and progressing to advanced numerical computing using NumPy in module 2, exploring the art of data visualization with the Matplotlib module 3, followed by delving into scientific calculations using SciPy in module 4. Module 5 focuses on mastering data analysis technique with the Pandas, while module 6 offers practical insight into real-world application. Cap off your learning journey in Module 7 by honing problem-solving skills to tackle diverse challenges effectively. This course promises a holistic approach to Python programming, equipping you with the essential tools for both theoretical understanding and practical implementation. This online course is delivered through MathTech Guru, a robust learning management system. It features comprehensive component including video lecturing, supplementary materials, interactive exercise, coding assignment, assessment, and grading students, participants engaging with the content at their own pace. Accessing a variety of resources to enhance their learning experience. Upon successful completion, participants receive a certificate of accomplishment, affirming their mastery of the course material. This course aims to master Python basic while equipping learners with the skill necessary for scientific computing and data analysis. Participants will delve into Python programming fundamentals, exploring numerical computing using NumPy, and learn to visualize data with the Matplotlib. Through hands-on exercise, they will gain proficiency in performing scientific calculations with the SciPy and analyzing data efficiently with the Pandas. Moreover, the course emphasizes applying Python in real-world scientific context, mastering problem-solving abilities, and honing critical thinking skill. By the end, student and participant will possess a robust skill set encompassing symbolic mathematics with SciPy, a practical coding technique, and the abilities to tackle diverse scientific challenges effectively. And I hope that after the completion, the basic needs of the Python skill, this course will enable you to face all type of challenges. We are thrilled to inform you that the highly anticipated course on fundamental of Python for scientific computing has officially commenced. We are in the process of uploading the course content, which will be available for you to access on our website www.mattechguru.com. This comprehensive resource will provide you with everything you need to dive in the world of Python for scientific applications. Even more exciting, MTTF is launching this course for free with the lifetime access. This means that you can join it anytime and complete it at your own pace with the flexibility to revisit the materials whenever you need. Your interest in this course is truly appreciated, and we are delighted to see your dedication to expanding your knowledge in Python for scientific computing. We believe this course will equip you with the valuable skills that will benefit you both personally and professionally. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any question or need assistance along with the way. We are here to support you on your learning journey.